extra homework or extra resources for the grade page. It's got a link in there, I think, to this exact one. And then all you got to do is find your grade on the table. So we had 37.2%, 0.37. Oh, so just so you guys know how I got this, I just typed Google tangent table image search. And it's like one of the first 5 that comes up. And there's a bunch of them in there. You can use any one you want. It's just this is the simplest one, I think. Because it literally has the tangent and then the degrees next to it. So these are the grades. These are the grades. These are the grades. So 37.2%, 0.372. 0.362, that's one percentage point off. 0.383, that's 1 percentage point up. So take the difference. So that's between 20 and 21. There's your 20.5 degrees that these guys came up with. 20.5 degrees. Very steep for a road. Not so crazy for a set of stairs. We're probably used to them. Makes sense? That's kind of why stairs were invented. To get us from an elevation to a higher elevation quickly. Figuring we can handle small increments of rise over a short period of time. We don't perceive the run as much as we perceive the rise. So if you can break it up kind of logically, it makes a huge difference. Some other ones, 57.8, 0.578. Let's find that one. 0.577, that's damn close. You guys have a 30-degree angle. 30-degree angle. Compared to the 20.5 that we had earlier. I don't think the other one's going to be much different from it, is it? 0.548, that's kind of between here and here. So between 28 and 29 degrees, probably imperceptible, and the last one, 13.2% was these guys over here in pence. 13.2, I'd say it's probably going to be closer to this guy. So between 7 and 8, probably closer to 8, maybe call it 7.775 degrees or something along those lines. So that's how you can do the conversion back and forth between the grades and the angles. And that does come in handy. We'll see more of an algebraic arithmetic connection on Wednesday. We'll go back outside and measure some trees. But nonetheless, can you guys all find, I only asked for 4 volunteers for their grades. Everybody else see where your guys' angle fall? What's the steepest grade in the room? Anybody beat 57.8? 57.8 was the steepest on the board. Anybody have a higher grade than 57.8? That was the highest. That was the highest. Those are the ones your quads feel when you're done, right? When your quads feel. The low one walking downhill is where your knees feel, at least mine, when you start slamming into those over and over again. I like it when you can alternate and kind of break the load up, but personal preference. Cool? Now, I like that activity because